The ocean, a vast expanse where light bends and shadows deepen, is a symphony of movement and mystery. Magnificent and bizarre species flow through time itself in this limitless blue, silent witnesses to a universe that is ever-changing. One of them, a creature of liquid light that pulses softly in time with the sea, appears to be virtually detached from reality. Ancient and airy, the jellyfish neither fights nor runs, nor hides nor hunts. It just floats, a silent tide traveler, a spectral mystery lost between reality and myth. A jellyfish has an unearthly quality, as if it were a relic from a long-forgotten dream rather than this world. Its body is merely a thin layer of translucent silk that separates existence from oblivion. It lacks a brain to tie it to thought, a heart to support it, and bones to attach it. With effortless grace, it glides onward in gentle, mesmerizing waves, giving in to the sea's will and drifting whither the currents whisper. It doesn't look for, it doesn't try. It just is. Nevertheless, the jellyfish is a survivor of unmatched durability in spite of its delicate shape. Jellyfish swayed in ancient oceans, their silent ballet unaffected by time, long before the first plants dug their roots into the ground and the first dinosaurs roared across the landscape. They have persisted for more than 500 million years, surviving in an almost flawless design that is unaltered, unbroken, and immortal. These delicate ghosts have continued to exist despite the rise and fall of empires, the emergence and extinction of species, and the turmoil of the world above. Their survival stems from a profound simplicity that verges on divinity rather than from brains or might. They don't require sophisticated instincts to direct them or intricate systems to support them. They live in a condition of perfect adaptation, feeding when food drifts close by, traveling wherever the ocean takes them, and reproducing in a quiet but inevitable manner. They are life reduced to its most basic form, light given shape and water given shape. However, even the most ethereal creatures have secrets. There is a hidden weapon as old as time itself that lurks beneath the jellyfish's serene beauty. Invisible and lethal, thousands of microscopic harpoons, or nematocysts, wade along the delicate tendrils that follow them. A sting that burns, paralyzes, or even kills can be released by merely brushing against these silken threads. The venom is more powerful than fire. A heart can be stopped in a matter of minutes by the venom of certain jellyfish, such as the box jellyfish. They don't attack. They don't pursue. Nevertheless, like ghosts of the deep, they are feared, adored, and shunned. One humble species, the Turritopsis dohrnii, or the quasi-immortal jellyfish, may hold the biggest secret of all. It does not give up in the face of death. Rather, it rewinds its own existence, a skill no other species on the planet has achieved. Its cells change, going back in time to a previous phase of existence. It doesn't perish. It starts over. This small, floating ghost of the water disobeys the oldest law of nature in a world where everything must end, and where even the stars burn out and fade. It hints at a mystery we do not yet know, a glimpse of eternity concealed in the most basic of beings. These stealthy deep dwellers, known as jellyfish, are becoming more than just ocean denizens. Their populations have increased recently as the global water balance has changed. They have been able to proliferate in enormous, shimmering armies, flooding the waters like phantom invaders thanks to climate change, pollution, and the eradication of natural predators. Some see them as a warning, a sign that the tides are moving in ways we cannot yet predict, that the ocean itself is changing. Jellyfish, however, are not merely passive sea creatures. Being both predators and prey, they are vital to the maritime environment. They are eaten by sea turtles, sunfish, and several seabird species who rely on their supple, nutrient-rich bodies for food. In order to preserve the delicate balance of life beneath the waves, jellyfish also eat plankton, tiny fish, and even other jellyfish. They are also regarded as a delicacy in some regions of the world, where they are harvested and cooked according to long-standing culinary customs that make these fleeting animals a food source for people. Furthermore, jellyfish continue to provide insights into the unknown in the constantly changing field of science. Their bioluminescent glow has paved the path for novel genetic engineering and illness detection studies, and resulted in groundbreaking medical breakthroughs. Researchers have been able to trace the progression of cancer, the transmission of viruses, and the development of new neurons in the brain by using the proteins that give them their unsettling, shimmering glow to highlight the interior workings of human cells. Jellyfish have the capacity to reveal mysteries about the water and life itself in their translucent, floating forms. Jellyfish have a profoundly poetic quality that endures long after they have vanished beneath the sea. They don't struggle against the flow. They don't fight against the odds. They float, enmeshed in the beat of something more expansive and timeless. Perhaps there is a lesson to be learned from their drifting, a silent reminder that not everything needs to be under control, that not all movement needs to have purpose, and that sometimes it is sufficient to just us be. They keep going, throbbing quietly through the depths, glimmering like fallen stars, drifting and whispering their silent secrets to the water forever. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more interesting videos.